the last session, we installed operating system, right? After installing the operating system, when you open your VMware software, if the screen is like this, click on this. Click here. So you can see virtual machines, the list of virtual machines which we created. So you can select which one you want. Click on this example. I want to open this. Click on power on this virtual machine. In order to start this computer, click on power on this virtual machine. So this is your login screen. What is this Swiss 3? Swiss 3 is host name, computer name. While installing the operating system, we give Swiss 3, so it is showing the same. Jack is normal user, the user which we created while installing the operating system. But now you want to log in as super user. Click on other to log in as a super user. And hopefully today is the last session for the demos. Tomorrow there will be paid link. So they are going to change the link from tomorrow. Now you want to log in as a super user. How to log in as a super user? Super user means what? Administrator. To log in as a super user, click on other, enter username. What is the login name for super user? Root. Enter username root. Login. Now password. Click on login. Enter the password which we generated manually. So we entered into graphical user interface because while installing the operating system, we selected desktop option. That is the reason we're able to see graphical user interface. And whenever you log in as a super user, you will get the screen like this. You will get the message like this. You are currently trying to run as the root super user. You will get this message always. This pop-up will open. You don't want to see this pop-up always. Click on this. Enable, do not show me this again. Click on close. And those who joined, those who registered with this course, ask them for the Telegram link and join into Telegram group so that I'll share the notes there.
I heard Telegram group will not continue or something like that. Some issue is there with Telegram. Is
Sorry?
it Telegram group will not continue or something like that? I hear. Is it so or
No, no,
uh,
no.
some
Telegram
issue
group
in
will be
the
there.
Telegram?
Telegram group will be there permanently. That is
No.
not the group where they are providing all the course details. That is not that group. There will be a separate group for our batch.
Not like that. So actually, Telegram itself, it will be going to cancel or
Acha,
something.
you are saying Telegram is going to close soon.
Yes, yes. So that is the communication is there. So I'm not sure it 100%, but information is
In
there.
that scenario, we can add into WhatsApp, no issues.
Okay.
Ask DurgaSoft for WhatsApp group. I think you already registered, right?
Yes.
Yeah, ask them for the group link. Ask them to create and give the group link.
WhatsApp. Okay.
Just message them or you can call them.
Okay.
So when you logged in into your computer, graphical user interface is there. Ne? We also have command line interface. We also have command line interface. I'll show you the command line interface. See, if you don't select desktop option while installing the operating system, when you switch on your computer, so you can see the screen like this. Command line interface you can see. But while installing the operating system, we selected desktop also. Now both are available. Graphical user interface is there as well as command line interface is there. Swiss 3 is hostname, login name is root, and password. What happened?
I think only single letter you will mention like this.
That is for a Jack. I guess single character for Jack. Now we logged in into root account from command line interface also. So now graphical user interface is the command line interface is the. How to switch from GUI to CLI, CLI to GUIC. Control Alt Function F1. Now you are in graphical user interface. Control Alt Function F2. You are in command line interface. So these are shortcuts. I'll show. Where is mouse? When you are working in Linux, if your screen mouse is not moving, means just press Control Alt. If mouse is not moving, So now if you want to switch from GUI to CLI and CLI to GUI, Control Alt function key in few versions, like not few versions, latest motherboards. If you are using latest desktop or laptop, there we must use function key. If your system is latest one, newly purchased computer, so there we use function key also along with control alt function. Control alt we use function key also. If your system is old one, so no need to use function key also. Function key there. Okay. So I want to switch from GUI to CLI and CLI to GUI.
Sorry to disturb you. For GUI, we need any mobile extern or WinSCP, something like that. Directly it will switch.
We don't need anything.
Okay.
Yesterday I installed, no, directly I installed. Not activated anything.
No, you are talking about CentOS VM. Hmm.
Yes, yes. So control alt function F1 is for GUI. You are in command line interface, you want to go to graphical user interface. We can use control alt function F1. You are in graphical user interface, you want to go to command line interface. You can use control alt function F2 or control alt function F3 or control alt function F4. You can use. See, control alt function F1. You are in graphical user interface. Control alt function F2. Already root user is logged in. Control alt function F3. Say. Oh. I logged in into Jack account. Control alt function F4. One more login page is there means, one more user is there means, login user is there means you can give that user credentials here. Control alt function F1. Again, I'm going to graphical user interface. So control alt function F1 for GUI, control alt function F2 or F3 or F4 is for command line interface. Control alt function F5. In few versions, it works for GUI. In few versions, it works for CLI. It works, but this key is not constant key. Next, control alt function F6, F7, F8. These three keys will not work in all the versions. They works only in few versions. So if they are working, control alt function F6 works for control alt function F6 and F7 works for CLI. Control alt function F8 works for GUI. So here both are available. Graphical user interface is available. Command line interface is available. You are in graphical user interface now. Control alt function F2. You are in command line interface. So both you can use. Both are used for executing the commands. What is the difference between GUI and CLI? See, when you log in into your computer from command line interface, see, this is called terminal. This is called terminal. Here we execute the commands like this. all the commands we execute from the terminal. Okay, so here single terminal is available. Now, I'm going to graphical user interface. Here, I'm opening the terminal. See, this is the terminal. Here also, it is used for executing the commands. Terminal is used to execute the commands. Now, in graphical user interface, we can open n number of terminals like this. N number of terminals we can open. Difference between GUI and CLI is GUI works with single terminal. Sorry, GUI works with multiple terminals, whereas command line interface works with single terminal. I'm repeating, GUI works with multiple terminals. Here, n number of terminals you can open. CLI works with single terminal. It works with only one terminal. Here only one terminal is available. You cannot open another terminal. Control function F1. So difference between GUI and CLI. GUI works with multiple terminals and CLI works with single terminal. What is the use of terminal means? It is used to execute commands. In command line interface, terminal open automatically. When you log in into your account, terminal open automatically. In graphical user interface, how to open the terminal means? To open terminal, right click on desktop, select open in terminal. Right click, open in terminal. So this is terminal. Now, in this terminal, you can see something in the bracket. Root at sys3 space desktop hash mark. It is there like this, right? In the terminal, I'll explain about this. Now, there are three fields. First field is user information. Which user is logged in? Which user is logged in? Root means super user is logged in. Second is what? Swiss3. What is this? Host name, computer name. While installing the operating system, what name we mentioned, that it is showing here. And third is current working directory. At present, you are in desktop, right? It is showing the desktop. We can change this three. If you log in into another user means it changes this first field name. If you change the host name, it will change the second field also. If you changed into different directory, it will change the directory information also. I will show everything practically. Now, first is type of user. So by seeing the first field, you can see whether you logged in into super user or normal user. So first is type of user, which user is logged in, that you can understand. Second is host name, computer name. And third is what? Current working directory. At present where you are, that information it will give. Now see, if you changed the directory, you can observe third field is changed. So in which directory you are, that information it will give. Again, I'm in desktop. So by seeing the third field, you can understand where you are at present. Are you getting? These three fields are clear? These three fields are clear? And next, we have symbols hash, dollar, and tilde. There are three symbols, hash, dollar, tilde. Hash. Whenever you log in into super user account, it will show hash symbol. When you logged into super user account, it will show hash symbol. When you logged in into normal user, it will show dollar symbol. When you logged in into normal user, it will show dollar symbol and tilde. Running user. When you logged in, whenever you logged in, you are working in running user home directory. Tilde symbol indicates running user home directory. See. Now you are into super user, right? So it is showing hash symbol. If you log in into normal user, observe here, dollar symbol it is showing. And tilde indicates running user home directory. See, now you are in Jack account, right? What is the home directory for Jack? /home/Jack. We discussed in the file system hierarchy. For every user, there is a home directory under home. Now see, it is showing /home/Jack. So now Jack created any files or directories means the data is going to store under Jack's directory, which is under home. So whenever you are working in running user home directory, it will show tilde symbol in third field. Okay, so these are the symbols we have. Paparao garu, are you getting?
Hello.
Clear this?
Yeah, tilde symbol. If you use tilde symbol, it will go to home directory.
Exactly. Hash means running super user. Now you are in super user, right? So it is showing hash. So by seeing the hash, you can understand, okay, that you are in super user. If someone logged in into normal user account, actually in real time, we log in into normal users only. Whenever we logged in into normal user account, it will show tilde symbol. And whenever it is showing, sorry. Whenever we logged in into normal user, it will show dollar symbol. Hash indicates super user, dollar indicates normal user. So when it is showing dollar, you can recognize that this is normal user. Okay. Then what is this tilde means? Whenever you are in running user home directory, then it will show tilde symbol. PWD is the command that I will explain in next session. So it is used to display current working directory. Now see here. Jack's home directory is Jack only, right? So you are in Jack's directory. That is why it is showing tilde symbol. I'll show you. Now see. Here if you observe, which user is logged in? Root user is logged in which computer? Hostname, Swiss3. And third, it is showing tilde symbol. It means what? You are in running user home directory. Now if you see, you are in root directory. Root is the home directory for super user. Right? We discussed in file system hierarchy. Root is the home directory for super user. You are in /root. So you are in your super user home directory. Simple, remember. Hash means super user. Dollar means normal user. Tilde means running user home directory. Whenever you are working in running user home directory, it will show tilde symbol. Is that clear? Clear,
Okay,
Papa
continue.
Raghav? Fine. I'll stop this by here, Papa Raghav. Tomorrow onwards, regular class will be there. I'll start the session at 4 p.m. only. No waitings. If someone joins, they will join. If no one joins, I'll continue the session.
Okay, only myself. Okay.
Yeah, we'll
Okay.
start. Maybe, no, actually, there will be add-on.
Uh-huh.
Add-on students will be there. They will come in middle.
Okay, no problem. Thank you.
Yeah. Ask for Telegram group or WhatsApp. So that you can ping me there also.
Okay, sure. I have Telegram group, but
Yeah.
they have already shared Telegram. I have
Telegram,
joined it.
they shared already.
Ah, yes, yes.
Can you message me there once?
Okay.
I'll check. They share, but I don't got it. But let me check.
DURGASOFT group is there, but UNIX separately.
No, there will be separate group for Unix. Not that regular group, public group. There will be a separate group only for our Unix class.
But it is not allowing to join. Link is there, but I am not able to.
Then once ask them, message
Mhm.
them once. Yeah. We'll meet tomorrow.
Okay, okay, thank you.
Yeah.
Bye.